Welcome to a new chapter of your life. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 life lessons that will serve as your guiding lights for a motivated and successful 2024. Let's embrace growth, positivity, and resilience together. Embrace change. Change is the only constant. In 2024, be open to new opportunities, experiences, and perspectives. Embrace change as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a magnet for positivity. Start each day by acknowledging the blessings in your life. A grateful heart attracts abundance and joy. Set bold goals. Dream big and set ambitious goals for yourself. Whether personal or professional, aim higher. Your goals should inspire you to stretch beyond your comfort zone. Learn setbacks. Life is full of challenges, but each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Use adversity as a stepping stone to success. Dust yourself off and keep moving forward. Prioritize self-care. Your well-being is non-negotiable. Make self-care a priority in 2024. Nurture your physical, mental, and emotional health. A healthy you is a powerful you. Build resilience. Resilience is your superpower. Face challenges with courage and bounce back stronger. Remember, it's not about avoiding difficulties but navigating through them. Nurture relationships. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Cultivate meaningful connections and invest time in relationships that uplift and inspire you. Celebrate small wins. Success is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Acknowledge your progress and use it as fuel for the next steps. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment. Mindfulness allows you to appreciate life as it unfolds. It reduces stress and enhances your overall well-being. Give back to others. Make a positive impact on the world around you. Whether through acts of kindness, volunteering, or mentorship, giving back enriches your life and the lives of others.